What if I told you that right now, people in their apartments are running online stores, no warehouse, no inventory, no employees, and some of them are clearing $5,000, $10,000, even $30,000 a month, and they're using AI to do 80% of the work for them? That's AI dropshipping, and in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how it works, how much you can realistically make, and most importantly, whether you should actually do this. No fluff, no fake screenshots. Let's get into it. Okay, first, what even is dropshipping? Here's the simple version. You set up an online store, a customer buys a product from you, you then place that order with a supplier, usually overseas, often from China through platforms like AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping, and the supplier ships it directly to your customer. You never touch the product, you never hold inventory, you just keep the profit margin. Classic dropshipping has been around for 15 years, but here's where 2026 changes the game: AI. Before AI, dropshipping was brutal. You had to manually research hundreds of products, write product descriptions one by one, create ad copy, run A/B tests, handle customer emails, build out entire store pages from scratch. That stuff used to take weeks. Now, AI handles most of it in hours. We're talking about tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, AdCreative.ai, and AutoDS. They're doing the research, the writing, the image generation, the ad strategy. You become the decision maker. The AI is your team. All right, here's the actual playbook. 5 steps. Step 1. Find a winning product with AI. This is the most important step, and most people get it wrong. Don't just pick something you like. Use data. Go to AutoDS or Sell the Trend. These are AI-powered product research tools. They scan Amazon, AliExpress, TikTok, and eBay to show you what's trending right now with real sales data. You can also literally ask ChatGPT, what are trending product niches for US consumers in 2025 with low competition and high margins, and it'll give you a starting list in seconds. Your sweet spot: a product that costs $5 to $15 from the supplier, and you can sell it for $35 to $60. That's your margin range. Step 2. Build your store with AI. Go to Shopify. They now have an AI store builder that generates your homepage, product layouts, and branding in minutes once you enter your niche. Use ChatGPT to write all your product descriptions. Prompt it like this: write a high-converting product description for product targeted at American women aged 25 to 40 who value convenience. Focus on benefits, not features. Keep it under 150 words. Done. Copy, paste, tweak, move on. For product images, use the supplier's photos plus Midjourney or Adobe Firefly to create lifestyle mockups that look premium. Step 3. Price it right. Simple formula. Take your product cost from the supplier, multiply by 3 to 4x. That's your retail price. Factor in Shopify fees, roughly 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, and your ad budget. Anything left is profit. A $10 product sold at $39.99 leaves you around $20 to $25 gross profit per sale after fees. Sell 5 a day, that's $100 to $125 a day. That's real money. Step 4. Run ads using AI. This is where most beginners lose money: bad ads. AI fixes that. Use AdCreative.ai to generate multiple ad variations automatically. It tests headlines, images, and copy combos and tells you what's working. For video ads, which perform massively on TikTok and Instagram Reels, use tools like Creatify or Arcades to generate AI UGC-style video ads. These look like real people reviewing your product, and they convert. Start with a small budget, $20 to $30 a day on Meta or TikTok. Let it run for 3 to 4 days. Kill what doesn't work, scale what does. Step 5. Automate customer service with AI. Set up Tidio or Freshdesk with an AI chatbot on your store. It handles 70 to 80% of customer questions automatically. Shipping updates, return policies, order status. You only step in for edge cases. This is what makes it truly passive. You're not glued to your email. How much can you actually earn? Okay, real talk. Let's talk money. Because this is where a lot of YouTube channels gaslight you with Lambo thumbnails. Here's what the data actually looks like. Beginner, month 1 through 3. Most people make $0 to $500 per month. You're testing products, burning some ad budget, learning. This is normal. Don't quit here. Intermediate, month 3 to 6. If you've found a winning product and you're scaling ads, you can hit $2,000 to $8,000 a month in revenue. With 20 to 30% net margins, that's $400 to $2,400 in actual take-home profit after fees. Advanced, month 6 to 12 plus. Established stores with proven products and optimized ad funnels, $10,000 to $50,000 per month in revenue isn't uncommon. Top stores do 6 figures monthly, but these people have tested dozens of products and put in serious work. One realistic benchmark that's often cited in the dropshipping community, a beginner with $500 in starting capital using AI tools efficiently can expect to break even or hit small profits around month 2 to 3 if they're testing smart. The ceiling is genuinely high. The floor is real too. It's not a lottery, it's a skill. Here's why I think AI dropshipping in 2026 is actually one of the most legitimate low-barrier business models available in the US right now. Speed. What used to take 2 weeks to build, store, copy, ads, emails, takes 2 to 3 days with AI. That means you can test more products faster and find winners before your competition. Cost. The AI tools we're talking about, most are $30 to $100 per month. That's your entire team, copywriter, designer, customer service rep, ad strategist, for less than $100 a month. A human team for that would cost $5,000 plus. Scalability. Once you find a winning product, you don't hire 10 more people to scale. You increase your ad budget. AI handles the rest. It's leverage that didn't exist 5 years ago. Low barrier. You don't need a business degree. You don't need $50,000 in startup capital. You need a laptop, $300 to $500 to start, and the willingness to learn. For Americans specifically, you have the massive advantage of selling in the world's largest consumer market in English with access to Meta, TikTok, and Google ads at scale. That's not nothing. So, should you do AI dropshipping? Here's my honest framework. You should do this if you have $300 to $800 to invest and can afford to lose some of it testing. You're willing to spend 2 to 3 hours a day for the first 3 months learning. You're okay with a 60 to 90-day runway before consistent profit. You want a business that can eventually run with minimal daily input. You should probably wait if you're broke and need income next month. This is not a fast money scheme. You're not willing to learn basic marketing and data reading. You're looking for a zero-effort passive income. The passive only comes after you've done the active work. And here are the real challenges nobody warns you about. Supplier reliability. Bad supplier equals angry customers equals chargebacks. Ad platform learning curves. Meta and TikTok ads are not plug and play. Copycats. Once a product takes off, everyone jumps on it. You need to move fast and build brand loyalty early. Shipping times. U.S. consumers expect fast shipping. Use U.S.-based suppliers when possible, or set clear expectations up front. None of these are deal breakers. They're just things you have to manage like any real business. AI dropshipping is not magic, but it is one of the most accessible, scalable side businesses you can start right now with relatively low capital, especially if you're in the US. The people winning at this aren't special. They're just consistent. They're willing to test and fail fast, and they're using AI to do the heavy lifting. If you want to go deeper, I'll be dropping a full video next week on the exact AI tools I use, the best product niches for 2025, and my personal ad strategy breakdown. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop a comment below. Are you already doing dropshipping, or is this brand new to you? I read every single one. See you in the next one.